Guys, welcome to our channel of English Funtush. Today we are going to learn about free minutes of Cambly app where you can do practice of your spoken English and become a fluent in it. So without delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to the Play Store and here search the Cambly app like this and just install it. Just wait a second. After installing the app, you will get the sign up interface. Click on the sign up. Here you will do with either Facebook or Google. You can choose any of this. So I go with the Google. Let's like this. Now the app needs the permission of one of my accounts of Google. So let's do it. Yay! Our sign up complete. Now here you will get the homepage of Cambly app like this. Here you are seeing the chooser plan, but right now you can do it as you are not subscribed to it. So in this video we are just talking about the free trial. So let's go for it. Here you are seeing the book trial column on the top. So click on it. You get the payment method interface. Now complete your payment and after that just click on the practice English. When you click on it, you will get this kind of interface. Here you have your name, duration and click on the continue. When you click on continue, you will get connected to one of the best tutors of Cambly where you can do your practice. After having your free trial, you can also review your session, that how's the conversation with the tutors went on. For that, come to the setting bar. Here you will see this lesson history column. Click on it. Here you will get the review of your free trial of Cambly that you had just conversed with the tutor. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel for more such videos, and I think this video is beneficial for you all. Bye bye.